Minenhle Mini, former Jones Dlamini. The streets are talking, my sister. They are saying that you are starting to smell like Rosemary Ndlovu, Nandipha Makutumana, angazi yay criminality, FBI special hawks. You, yeah, my sister, it's not me, it's the streets, and I'm coming live from the streets. Indaba zakho big, massive. See, so thina ebantwini amukela kwinkqubo yami bomntu abakadadi bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-anti bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Msware Kamukhala if you want more traffic on your platforms. Asikulif, yazi thina asikulif sisebenza wire, and it's all because now Minnie Dlamini did not want to be left out of the Christmas gatas. Before we get into today's video, we have the most humblest celebrities on my phone list. Yes, guys, Hamut Awongo. They are giving us their vlogging channel. I've also been to Koketo's podcast. Love it so much, Sana. What a wholesome, godly family. You know? So they have vlogs that they want to share with us. So can us as management go over there and give them support, because they've been supporting Channel yet too much. Too much.
Hi guys,
Hey guys, how are you guys doing?
my name is Kuketsona Lady Motaung.
And I'm Lebohang Motaung.
And we love to vlog. I'm joking. It's mostly me who loves to vlog, and my husband doesn't have a choice.
Yeah, nyalang guys. Expect homemaking, lifestyle, and wellness vlogs.
We love God.
Yeah.
So there's definitely going to be
So there will be some Christian content coming.
yeah, that's us, you know. Please subscribe to our channel.
Comment, like, and share.
Nina, according to the SIU, Minnie Dlamini received funds from the National Lottery, right? The funds were supposed to be for a non-profit organization, a foundation, those things, those organizations, you know what I'm talking about. But Umini felt it in the spirit to misdirect the funds. It says that she misappropriated and misdirected the funds for other uses and not what they were initially intended to be used for. Therefore, investigations were conducted. All of this happened about 9 years ago when the funds were allocated and received. It was about 9 years ago. In the day of today, the verdict has come out, but they say that Minnie is very cooperative and she will be paying back only 50,000 rand of the funds that she allegedly misappropriated. She will be paying back 50,000. She's not hindering the investigation. In fact, she is cooperative. Therefore, she will not be facing any criminal charges or any badness because she is Minnie Dlamini. Yes, guys. You know why I bring this up? Currently, Smongile, our student who received 14 million rand from NSFAS by mistake, the 14 million rand ended up in her account by mistake because what happened to Swangile? She's currently under the jail. And she's currently serving a prison sentence because why? They did not want to know that she misappropriated the funds. They said they want to make her as an example because you can't use state funds for personal use. So tell me why? Why Abo Steini, Abo Mini, Abo Atamafukate, all the criminalities that received funds from the Lottery Commission have never seen one day of an orange uniform, have never been behind a cell or seen a judge. Why? Nayibona ukuthi i-favoritism yakule country, it depends on who you are or whose voice you've just or whose connections you've done osmosis with. If you know nothing about photosynthesis in the system of corruption, you will be under the jail. And I believe with all my heart that it is true that the actual criminals are not the ones behind bars, but the ones that are outside enjoying life. People that can afford abo bail abe 1 million are outside enjoying life. Why when they caught you stealing food for your children? Now your bail is 500. Can't afford it. So now what? Under the jail. I'm not saying that jail does not also have mkulugutus and kuligitis, because definitely there's them. We've seen them on Skim GP's podcast. But I'm saying the real skelegetes, they are outside enjoying life, enjoying their best. Wait again, bayetsa so, batswa mo, ba kena mo ba imikulugutu nemikufeve. Nangu nominentle. You think uminentle? Uzoyejele? No, social media needs to understand. Mini is not going anywhere, and I need to check it to batala 50,000 yen. I need to tell you, even the way they were saying the story, they did not put that no, they just took it here because it's like, they want to still give her the dignity and the respect because she's Minnie Lamine. So they're like misappropriated, misdirected. Uyidlile njenge-vorse yase-Roots 67 rand, uyidlile ngathi inhliziyo yasehostela epheke obabamajola. Uyidlile uminenhle imali. Why ningafuni ukuvuma? Why kwamele thina sitshele nina ukuthi she ate the money? But it's fine because she will give back 50K. 50 ngapha, 30 ngapha, mahala. Hey guys, you're celebrities. I told you, we need to stop congratulation. We must investigation. Okay? Every time someone looks like we haven't heard their song, we haven't seen their movie, we haven't seen them very busy in the economic streets, but they are living lavish and savage. We must congratulate and investigate so that when we venerate, we can get you Tate. No, please, I don't want to take you guys to church, but you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? And if Luna, you don't see what I see because I see exactly what you know that I'm seeing, don't say that I didn't warn you. Also, guys, let's just be honest. Year-end fatigue is setting in. Year-end fatigue is kicking in. This is why my videos are now short because I'm tired, I'm drained emotionally, mentally, physically, financially, gonke. I'm drained. Honestly, I'm really drained. But because this is literally, I keep saying this. This is literally like my healing space. Like being on camera and just talking to you guys and just being distracted from my real life. It's been helping me so much. You don't know what you guys are also doing for my mental health, because also the comment section is so funny. Like, you guys think I'm funny? No, read your comments and see how funny you are. Like Siba Meneso, like Sia Telepatha. That's why even when we meet in real life and you guys bump into me in real life, it's like we've known each other for like 10, 15 years, because you're just like, oh, Sims, and having it here, go, it's an old time, it's a meaning, like, it's all Egg and J. Okay, guys, I'm screaming, if you bonus. No, if you bonus. If you what? 13 check. Is it you that must give me or YouTube must give me? Which one? No, please, I thank you.